How to fix the Royal Kingdom app not working in your iPhone or Android. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Royal Kingdom app not working in your iPhone or Android. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Royal Kingdom application on your mobile device. And to ensure that, you need to open your Play Store if you're using Android and your App Store if you're using iPhone. Then go to the search bar and type in Royal Kingdom application. Once you find it, tap on it, and if you see an update button, simply go ahead and update it to its latest version. This is going to fix a lot of glitches and help you for this smooth experience in the app. Now come back and see if your internet connection is working properly and it's strong, stable, and reliable as well. You can try switching between your mobile data and Wi-Fi and vice versa. And you can also turn the airplane mode or the flight mode on or off for a few seconds to reset all the connections in your phone. Another thing you can do is you can clear the app cache. For that, you can tap and hold onto this application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to its app info. And for iPhone, you can go to General and then go to iPhone Storage and simply search for Royal Kingdom. Go to its storage, tap on Clear Cache in Android, and simply upload the application in iPhone. You can also try uninstalling this application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. So tap on Uninstall, then tap on OK to confirm. And once it has been completely removed from your device, go to Play Store or App Store and then reinstall it from over here. Now, if nothing works, you can go to the app's website or support page for help. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.